Hey there, it's great to see you again. Are you tired of feeling self-conscious about the plaque buildup on your teeth? Well, fear not, my friends, because I am here to help you remove that pesky plaque from the comfort of your own home. And while we're at it, make sure to check out some of my other videos, including how to clean your tongue without a tongue scraper, how to clean teeth the best way, and how to freshen up bad breath. Trust me, they're all related and will help you achieve the perfect smile. First things first, let's talk about toothbrushes and toothpaste. You want to make sure you're using a soft bristled toothbrush and a toothpaste that contains fluoride. Why fluoride, you ask? Because it's like a superhero for your teeth, fighting off tooth decay and strengthening enamel. Plus, it tastes pretty damn good too. When you're brushing your teeth, make sure to angle your brush at a 45-degree angle towards your gum line and use gentle circular motions. And don't forget to brush your tongue too. It's like a little plaque playground in there. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. Now, on to flossing. I know, nobody likes to floss, but it's important, people. Flossing helps remove plaque and food particles that your toothbrush just can't reach. Plus, it's a great arm workout. When you're flossing, be gentle and glide the floss between your teeth using a back and forth motion. And don't forget to floss behind your back teeth too. They need love too. Last but not least, mouthwash. Swishing mouthwash around in your mouth for about 30 seconds after brushing and flossing can help kill bacteria and freshen your breath. Plus, it's like a mini spa day for your mouth. So there you have it, folks. The key to removing plaque from your teeth at home: brushing, flossing, and mouthwash. It's like a 3-part harmony for your oral hygiene routine. And if you stick to it, your teeth will thank you. So get to brushing, flossing, and swishing. And remember, a smile is the best accessory you can wear.